In this video, I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp chat to your WordPress website. Adding a WhatsApp chat to your WordPress website will enable your visitors to contact you through WhatsApp when they visit your website. So if you want to learn how to add WhatsApp chat to your WordPress website, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's get started. So to start, I go over to the dashboard of my website, go to plugins, add new. Under search plugins field, I enter WhatsApp. And this is the plugin I'm going to install by Cream, and it has over 400,000 active installations. So I click on install now. It is installed. I activate. Plugin activated successfully. I scroll down to settings, then I click on join.chat. So in here, I enter my telephone number. I scroll down, click on save changes. Changes is saved. Now I go over to the front end of my website. I refresh the page. Now I have WhatsApp in here. Now when visitors go to my website, they can see the WhatsApp feature and they can select it to chat with me. Now let's see how it will appear on a PC. So this is how it will appear on a PC. Now I want to add a call to action such that immediately visitors of my website get to the website, they will see a notification here which indicates that they can actually chat with me. So I go over to the dashboard of my website. Under call to action, I enter how can I help you? I scroll down. Under chat delay, I want to make it 2 seconds. And then notification balloon, I check this and I click on save changes. Settings saved. Now let me go back to my website as a visitor to refresh the page. Boom, it is right there. So you see the notification. How can I help you? So visitors can now click here to have a chat with me. So this is how you can add a WhatsApp chat feature to your WordPress website. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and we will talk soon.